Why should I learn it if AI can do it? This is a question I've been pondering on today, and in this video I thought I would share my thoughts on it, why it is still worth it to learn. And at the same time, this video is a follow-up to a previous one where I shared some thoughts on an article called The Human in the Loop, where the basic idea is that you as a software engineer, you are not only or mainly responsible for writing code, you are responsible for reviewing the code, which also implies some knowledge. This video is a bit more on a tangent related to that, so it's another view. It's more of a personal view, not a professional view, as it was as it was the previous one. So my thoughts on it is, first of all, I think you should learn it because it is fun. It's simply a nice thing, a pleasant, a satisfying thing to learn, to evolve, to overcome yourself. This, of course, I think it comes with time and with repeating experiences of this kind, where you start from zero and then you keep on being consistent and patient, and with time you see results. So this is one reason, for the pleasure of it, for the pleasure of acquiring knowledge. And then this also touches a bit upon on the previous video, where once again the idea is that you mainly become a reviewer for the code that the AI can generate. In order for you to be able to review that code, you need to be knowledgeable, you need to be well versed in some area, and you cannot simply do that if you just prompt the AI and apply the results that it gives to you. So this would be the second reason, which is it makes you more aware when making decisions with regards to the code or to the ideas that the AI can generate. And lastly, this isn't a reason, but it's more of an analogy, of a comparison that I keep on thinking about, and that is, AI is for a software engineer what a robot is for a surgeon. I've heard that, for instance, nowadays during surgery there are very specialized robots that can cut very precisely, and the mistake percentage is very, very low. So, but of course, I as a programmer cannot work with that robot. I cannot operate it. Of course, that would be the same for us software engineers. It's just a better tool that we need to adapt to, that we need to use, that we need to learn how to use. But at the same time, we also have to be deserve to use it, or to be able to or to be prepared to use it. We cannot simply use it just because it gives answers. We need to be able to filter out what's good information and bad information, and so on. So to summarize, the first reason as to why you should still learn if the AI can do it, I'm mainly referring for software engineering. The first one is for the pleasure of learning. The second one is that it makes you make better decisions. And the third one is that, that was the comparison with a surgeon, which essentially means that although we have a next level of automation, this is how I see AI, you still need to be able to decide what you want to automate, when to automate, and what can be done simpler, what can be done in a different way, and so on. So AI, I would say that it will not replace us unless we become complacent and we keep on becoming more and more comfortable with AI and we stop learning. So yeah, that's a very big if. These were my thoughts on it. I think I'll do more of this where I'm sharing my thoughts, because it seems that I have a lot of thoughts recently. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.